Hey everyone! The Oppo Find X8 and Find X8 Pro are set to officially launch on October 24th, but the tech world is already abuzz with excitement as key specifications for both models have been fully leaked online. With Oppo's reputation for blending innovation and premium design, these two phones have been highly anticipated, and the latest details suggest they will not disappoint. While the pricing remains the only mystery until the official reveal, leaked specs have already positioned the Find X8 series as strong contenders in the flagship smartphone market. Oppo Find X8 boasts an impressive 6.59-inch OLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz that promises silky smooth scrolling and gaming experiences. The screen's brightness level, rumored to peak at an incredible 4,500 nits, means it should be able to handle even the brightest outdoor lighting conditions with ease. Additionally, it supports 2,160 Hz PWM dimming technology, reducing flicker and helping to protect users from eye strain during prolonged use. The phones will also feature Corning Gorilla Glass on both the front and back panels, which ensures durability, and they come with an IP68 and 69 rating, guaranteeing resistance to water and dust in even the harshest environments. Under the hood, the Oppo Find X8 is powered by the Dimensity 9400 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. This combination promises top-tier performance, from smooth multitasking to handling the most demanding mobile games. The large 5,630 mAh battery should provide ample power for all-day use, and its impressive charging capabilities, 80-watt wired and 50-watt wireless, mean you won't be tethered to a charger for long. The Pro version is expected to carry similar internal specs, but with potential enhancements to further differentiate it from the standard Find X8. Oppo has partnered with Hasselblad once again for the Find X8 series camera system, a move that has already generated excitement among photography enthusiasts. The rear triple camera setup includes a 50 megapixels LYT700 sensor with optical image stabilization, a 50 megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 50 megapixels LYT600 sensor with a 3x periscope telephoto lens. This versatile arrangement will likely offer stunning results in various shooting scenarios, from ultra-wide landscapes to detailed close-ups. For selfie lovers, the front-facing camera includes a 32 megapixels Sony IMX615 sensor, promising sharp and natural-looking photos. In addition to its robust hardware and camera systems, the Find X8 series comes packed with features designed for convenience and versatility. The inclusion of NFC technology, twin stereo speakers, infrared transmitters, X-axis linear motors for haptic feedback, and an underscreen fingerprint sensor make for a well-rounded user experience. Both the Oppo Find X8 and X8 Pro will ship with Color OS 15, based on Android 15. Early reports indicate that Oppo's latest software will be more streamlined and customizable than ever, focusing on intelligent features to improve everyday tasks while maintaining fluidity and performance. The Find X8 and Find X8 Pro are shaping up to be significant entries in the premium smartphone category, with flagship-level displays, cutting-edge chipsets, high-end camera system, and premium build quality. These devices are likely to attract consumers looking for a balance of performance, design, and camera prowess. As the launch date approaches, the only remaining piece of the puzzle is the price, which, if competitive, could make these phones some of the most exciting releases of the year. Oppo seems poised to deliver, and October 24th cannot come soon enough for fans and tech media alike. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel, have a nice day, and see you soon.